How to use QANDA for exam preparation. First of all, open the app and make sure you are logged in. Next, tap on the menu section and then hit Edit in the top right corner. From here, select Student Information where you can choose your grade level and update it so that QANDA can provide personalized recommendations. Now use the AI tutor feature or step-by-step solutions to practice questions and understand concept thoroughly. You can scan or type questions for your textbook, past papers, or practice exercises to get instant solutions and explanation. QANDA also allows you to review previously solved questions, which is helpful for revision before exams. Now you know how to use QANDA for exam preparation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more study tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.